Hello children, how are you? Let's see math first, third chapter, arithmetic progression. First question, write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. So here arithmetic progression is given, that is 1, 8, 15, 22, that days. So here what is A? A means first term. So you know A, that is first term 1. So we write A, that is 1. T1 is also first term, so it is 1. Then T2 8. T3 third term 15. And then T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. So T2 is 8 and T1 is 1. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. Then T3 minus T2. In third term, that is 15 minus T2. T2 is 8 and this 15 minus 8, that is 7. And T2 minus T1, 3 minus T2, that is the common difference D. So here the value of D is 7. Similarly, the second arithmetic progression, that is 3, 7, 9, 12. So here first term means T1 is 3, T2 is 6, third term T3 9 and T4 12. So similarly T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1, that is 6 minus 3. So here it is 3. Then third term means T3 minus T2. 9, that is the third term. Second term is 6. So 9 minus 6, that is 3. Therefore, what is A? Means first term. So A is 3 and common difference, that is also 3. So we write therefore A is 3 and common difference D is also 3. Let's see question number 3. Here arithmetic progression is minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18 and so on. So here first question, that is T3. So T1, T2, T3. So T3 is minus 13. Then T2, second term, that is minus 8. T4, that is minus 18. And first term T1, that is minus 3. Then find T2 minus T1. So here see T2 that is minus 8, then minus 3. So minus 8 plus 3, that is minus 5. So this T2 minus T1 is minus 5, means minus 8 minus and in bracket minus 3 plus 3. So minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Then T3 minus T2. T3 means minus 13 minus in bracket minus 8, that is plus 8. So minus 13 plus 8, again it is minus 5. So A means first term, that is minus 3 and common difference D, that is minus 5. Then fourth 70, 60, 50, 40. So here first term, that is 70, second term 60, third term 50 and so on. So write direct the value of A, that is 70, and D, that is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. So this 60 minus 70. So plus minus minus and greater number sign. So 60 minus 70, that is minus 10. Here also see 50 minus 60 minus 10. 40 minus 50 minus 10. Let's see second example. Question is, decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progressions. Student, here one sequence is given. First we decide whether it is arithmetic progression or not. If it is AP means arithmetic progression, that time find its 20th term. So first you know how to decide whether it is AP or not AP. So if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, that time we say it is AP. So here see, first term T1 is minus 12, T2 that is minus 5, T3 2, T4 9, T5 that is 16 and so on. So common difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. So T2 that is minus 5, then minus 12, so it is minus 5 plus 12, that is plus 7. Similarly T3 minus T2, third term that is 2, then minus, again in bracket minus, so 2 and minus that is plus 5, so again it is 7. Then T4 minus T3, T4 fourth term that is 9, minus third term 2, so 9 minus 2, again it is 7. Then T5 minus T4, 16 minus 9, that is again 7. Similarly 23 minus 16, that is 7. 13 minus 23, it is 7. So consecutive term means the common difference between two consecutive terms is constant, so it is an AP. So how can we write here? The difference between two consecutive terms is constant or equal. Therefore, it is an AP, means arithmetic progression. Then how can you find the 20th term? So for this you have one formula that you have to learn, that is Tn equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. So for nth term formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For any term you always apply this formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here n is 20 because you have to find 20th term. So T20 equal to A, that is our first term, means minus 12 plus this n is 20 minus 1 into D, and D means common difference, that is 7. So we multiply here by 7. So minus 12 plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 into 7. So see, T20 equal to minus 12 and plus and 19, 7 that is 133. So 133, 7 9 is 63, that 3 and then 6 and 7 is 7 plus 6, 13. So plus 12 minus 12 plus 133 is T20 equal to then 12, then it is 1 to 1 and greater number sign. So T20 is 121. So question number 3 and question number 4. Here one arithmetic progression is given and you have to find the 24th term in third and 19th term in fourth. So for term you have to learn this formula, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is first term, D is the common difference between two consecutive terms, N that is the term. So here first we write given. So given AP is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. So from this AP, here A is 12, then D that is T2 minus T1 or difference between any two consecutive term. So 16 minus 12 that is 4, N equal to 24, and to find T24 that is question mark. So use this formula, Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this N is 24. So T24 equal to A that is 12 plus N minus 1 means this N is 24 minus 1 into D that is 4. So this 12 plus 23 into 4. So first multiply and then add this 12. So 12 plus 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So here the 24th term is 2 plus 2 4 and 9 plus 1 that is 10. Similarly, see here in this example, given arithmetic progression is given, that is 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. So from this given, A that is first term 7, D that is T2 minus T1, so 13 minus this 7 that is 6. So here the difference between two consecutive terms is 6. N equal to 90. So it is 19. So question mark that is T19 equal to question mark. So formula Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So T90 that is A. A means 7 plus 19 minus 1 into 6. So 7 plus 19 minus 1 that is 18 into 6. So first we multiply and then add this 7. So 6 8 ja 48 and then 6 1 ja 6 plus 4 that is 10 and their sum is 115. So T19 equal to 150. Question number 5. Find the 27th term of the following AP. So arithmetic progression is given 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 and so on. So here first we write given. So given is 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 and so on. So from this given, first we write the first term and the common difference, and N is 27 and then apply this formula Tn equal to A plus in bracket N minus 1 into D. So here A equal to 9, then D equal to T2 minus T1 that is 4 minus 9 plus minus minus and greater number sign, so it is minus 5. N that is 27, question mark is 27 equal to question mark. Then we write formula Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So T27 equal to A, that is our first term 9, then plus and then N is 27. So 27 minus 1 into D, that is minus 5. So this 9 plus 26 into minus 5. So 9, and in multiplication you know plus into minus or minus into plus is minus. So it is minus, then 6 5 are 30 and then 10 plus 3 30 and plus minus minus and greater number sign. So here its value is minus 121. See question number 6. How many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. So here you know 3-digit natural numbers. So smallest 3-digit number, that is 100, and greatest 3-digit number, that is 999. So first we decide how many numbers are there which are divisible by 5 in 3-digit number. So first we make a arithmetic progression, means starting 2 and last one number, that is divisible by 5. So first say rough work. Here you know smallest 3-digit number starting from 100, then add this 5 means 105, then 110. Similarly last, that is 999, but this 999 is not divisible by 5. So we write the last number which are divisible by 5. So see 908, it is also not divisible, then this is also not, then it is not, then last number, that is 995, which is divisible by 5. So here 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are 100, 105, 110, and the last one, that is 995. So remember, if question is 4-digit natural number divisible by 4, divisible by 3, or any number, that time find first 2 or 3 number and last one, and then say here it is our first term, then the common difference is 5 here, and last term, that is Tn, and question is to find the value of n, means how many numbers, how many terms are there. So from this we write first a, means first term, that is 100, then common difference t, that is t2 minus t1, means 105 minus 100, that is 5, and this is our last term, means nth term, Tn equal to 995, and question is to find the value of this n. If last term is given, means you have to find the terms, how many terms. Again use same formula, Tn equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. So this Tn is 995, this a is 100 plus we don't know this n, and d, that is 5. So when you shift this 100 on this side, that time it is 995 minus 100 equal to, if you want then you multiply this bracket, otherwise keep as it is, means simplification is according to you. So here it is 5n minus 5, when you multiply this bracket, that time say 995 minus 100, that is 895 equal to 5n minus 5, and when you shift this here, so it is 895 plus 5 equal to 5n, and then 895 plus this, that is the 900 equal to 5n, and therefore n equal to 900 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja, here 8 ja, and 0. So n equal to 180, means in 3-digit number total 180 numbers are there which are divisible by 5. Or say your simplification like this, 995 equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. So 100, and when you multiply then 5n and minus 1 into 5 minus 5. So 995 equal to 100 minus 5, 95 plus 5n, and when you shift here equal to 95 n, and here it is minus 95. So 900 equal to 5n, so n equal to 900 divided by 5, that is 180. So you can solve by any method, means simplification is according to you.